Stop scrolling, brand new iPhone 18 Pro Max leaks just dropped, and if they're accurate, Apple's 2026 flagship is lining up a smaller dynamic island, a variable aperture camera, and a next-gen 2nm A20 Pro chip. Here's everything US buyers need to know. Disclaimer attribution. Quick note. These are leaks and early reports, highlighted by Zone of Tech and other sources. Nothing is confirmed until Apple announces it. Intro in today's breakdown. We're diving into the rumor release timeline. Bold design shifts like a transparent back, major camera upgrades for creators, and performance boosts that could redefine what a Pro Max can do in 2026. If you shoot, game, or just want the best iPhone experience in the US, this one's for you. Release timeline. Leaks point to a fall 2026 debut for the iPhone 18 Pro Max, potentially sharing the stage with Apple's first foldable, the iPhone Fold. That alone would be a historic Apple event. Meanwhile, the standard iPhone 18 and a more affordable iPhone 18e are rumored for spring 2027. Staggered launches could help Apple balance production, carrier commitments, and supply chain pressure, especially important for US buyers. Targeting trade-in windows and carrier promos. Design, let's talk hardware. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to come in around 243 grams with a slightly thicker frame. Why thicker? Two likely reasons: stronger structural rigidity and more room for upgraded internals. Think bigger cooling and potentially a larger battery. The headline design. Rumor, a transparent back glass option. Yep, an iPhone that subtly shows off its internals while keeping Apple's clean aesthetic. Even if it ships as a special finish, it would be the boldest visual change in years. Color rumors are spicy too. Purple, burgundy, and coffee could headline the lineup, with whispers that classic black might be retired over durability and finish consistency concerns. If you love darker tones, burgundy could be the new premium pick. Display plus dynamic island. The dynamic island is reportedly getting smaller. That means more usable screen real estate for streaming, gaming, and maps, and a cleaner look overall. Face ID hardware is still expected to sit above the display rather than under it, preserving the fast, reliable biometric experience iPhone owners expect. Camera upgrades. Now to the biggest creative leap. Camera. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to add a variable aperture system on the main camera. Practically, that gives you wider apertures for better low light and natural background blur, and narrower apertures for sharper detail in bright scenes. More control. Less reliance on computational tricks. On the selfie side, the front camera is expected to finally leverage its full 24MP capabilities, sharper selfies, cleaner FaceTime, and better low-light performance. And the main sensor? A Samsung-manufactured, triple-stack design is rumored. Triple-stack circuitry typically improves readout speed, dynamic range, and noise control. Translation for creators: richer highlights, cleaner shadows, and steadier video, especially indoors and at night. If you shoot content for TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram Reels, these upgrades could be a game changer. More consistent low-light results, more cinematic depth without over-processing, and fewer retakes due to noise or motion artifacts. Performance plus connectivity. Under the hood, expect Apple's A20 Pro built on a 2nm process. That should deliver faster speeds and better efficiency across the board. Snappier UI, faster renders and exports, and improved battery life under load. Thermals are rumored to get a serious upgrade via vapor chamber cooling system. If you've ever felt your phone throttle during long gaming sessions, 4K ProRes recording, or heavy AI tasks, this could keep performance smooth and frames steady. Longer. For the US, the rumored C2 modem with wave support should bring faster, more efficient 5G on Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile, especially in dense downtowns, arenas, and airports. And yes, ESIM only is likely to continue in the US, so plan carrier switches accordingly. battery plus endurance, while exact battery numbers haven't leaked. The thicker chassis and improved cooling both hint at better sustained performance and potentially longer screen on time, even if capacity doesn't jump dramatically. Keeping thermals in check often results in better real-world endurance, especially for creators and gamers. Who are T's for? Power users and mobile gamers, 2 nanometers A20 Pro, plus vapor chamber cooling screens sustained performance. Content creators, variable aperture, a stacked main sensor, and a sharper 2.4MP selfie camera add real creative flexibility. US travelers and city dwellers. A smarter modem with unwaved support shines in crowded venues where bandwidth is tight. Rumored finishes plus durability. If Apple moves ahead with the transparent back option, expect ultra-premium glass and metal with improved scratch and drop resistance. The slightly thicker frame could also help reduce lens wobble and improve grip. Nice perks for handheld filming and photography. What to watch next? Confirmation of the transparent back in new. COLORWAYS. Final details on the variable aperture range and video. Upgrades. Real-world thermal test to see how much the vapor chamber helps. During long 4000 recording or gaming. Carrier deals in the use trade-in credits can be huge during launch week. Asterisk if these leaks hold. The iPhone 18 Pro Max isn't chasing gimmicks. It's doubling down on meaningful upgrades. A cleaner display cutout, serious camera control, cooler sustained performance, and faster, more efficient 5G for the US market. It looks like a classic. Apple move. Refine the experience where it matters and make it feel effortless. Asterisk. iPhone 18 Pro Max is the 2026 upgrade to watch. Smaller dynamic island for more screen, a bold design with a possible transparent back, and fresh colors like purple, burgundy, and coffee. Big camera leap, variable aperture main lens, a stacked sensor for cleaner low-light shots, and a sharper 2.4MP selfie. Under the hood, the A20 Pro 2 nanometers chip and vapor chamber cooling aim for sustained performance, while a C2 modem boosts US 5G speeds. Slightly thicker and around 243 grams for durability and better thermals. If these leaks hit, this could be Apple's most creator-friendly Pro Max yet. Follow for more iPhone 18 Pro Max updates. What rumored feature are you most excited about? The variable aperture camera, the smaller dynamic island, or that transparent back? Drop your pick in the comments. If you want more iPhone 18 Pro Max updates as we get closer to fall 2026, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell.